think it's hard to earn money on trading? Not at all. I won't tell you about the golden mountains of money, but I'll give you the opportunity to earn money with our Autobot. And yes, it is absolutely free, and you can get it in just 2 simple steps. Follow the link in the description of our bot, create a new account, and top up your balance. Nothing else is needed, you can start. Today in the video, we will show you 25 trades from our Autobot. You really asked to show as many signals as possible, so here you go. The result will surprise you greatly. We set up the Autobot for trading, and you can start the trading session. We launch our bot, and the countdown starts at 25 transactions, and at the end, we will summarize how many transactions will be in the plus. We started very well and immediately added our balance. Let me speed up the video a little, and you will see how many successful signals there will be. For 10 bets, only 2 minus transactions. The result is simply amazing. I want to remind you that you can get the Autobot absolutely free of charge by following the link in the description. We will speed up the video for another 10 deals, and you will see how many deals will be in the plus and how many in the minus. Wow, how do you like the result, friends? I'm sure you didn't expect such a high passability from the Autobot. But we show all the work as it is. If you are ready to earn, then follow the link in the description and take the Autobot. Let's stop our Autobot and sum up our trading session. The result is simply fantastic. For 25 signals, only 7 unsuccessful transactions. You can see for yourself what balance we managed to achieve in just 25 transactions. You know what to do to get this Autobot. Do not miss your chance and start earning with Finance Trading Bot.